So what I'm doing now, I've taken terminal apart and I'm gonna clean it. As you can see, the corrosion had gone pretty bad. You know, it's kind of gross. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it. Once I clean it, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together and pull my battery back in there. Got my battery down here. Let's see my battery again. Nothing happened to the top because it's a brand new battery. I just got the battery. Negative terminal's fine. This was pretty bad too. I had to clean it. I already cleaned the bottom. It's kind of nasty, as you can see. You know, got stuff everywhere over there. So that's what I'm using to clean it. I'm using some pineapple soda. Seem to be working fine so far, as you can see in the terminal. It's pretty clean. It was pretty gross earlier. Forgot to record it, but hope this video helps. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, clean it real quick. I'll pull you back together, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, so this is what I've done. I've taken a knife, cut the base of the bottle off, put the parts in it. So now I'm about to put baking soda and some warm water in there. Should clean it right off. I'll show you in a minute. So just be mindful of that. So I just changed the water and repeat the process. As you can see, the baking soda is a lot less reactive. Reason being because, you know, there's not a whole lot of acid left. So make sure you clean the water and do it again. And I'll get back with you in a second. About 5-10 minutes. So now that we're done with the cleaning process, as you can see, everything is fairly clean. So what we are gonna do now is get these two pieces, well, these three pieces to fit into one. So this will be going back in here, and that will be going back down in here, sort of like this. So it's gonna go down in there like that. So actually, before we get this in, we need to get this in like this. So it's gonna sit in there. Sure you guys see everything. So you want to put it in as in like that. So once you get that in, make sure it's in place and secured. These two bolts. Yeah, these two should be aligned. Make sure you give it a little push to the right so it can stay centered. Now, the main piece, you want it facing down like this. So the big piece goes in here to the left, and the other one to the right. Trying to get it to focus here. So the big piece, this is it facing up. So this big piece right here will be going in that first hole. This little piece right here will be going in that hole. That hole. Cool beans. Alright, so I'm just about to put the camera down real quick. Again, it's going to go in facing this way. So I'm going to put the camera down real quick, get it in there, and I'll show you guys what it should look like when it's finished. Cool, so I have everything in here as one piece. It was actually very, very easy to take it out. So what I'm going to do now is hook it back on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this. So this goes at the bottom right there. So I'm going to get that hooked up with the bolt that I've placed right here on the ground. Surprised I haven't lost it yet, but yeah. So that will go in there. After I get that connected, I'll get these connected. By these, I mean I get these two connected. Once I get these two connected, I'll get that connected. And I'll be able to pull my battery back into place. Once I get my battery back into place, I'll have the positive and the negative connected. And I'll secure it back into place. Alright, again, I'm only using two hands, so I'm going to have to put the camera down, and once I get everything all situated, I'll show you guys what it should look like. So now I do have the first one connected. As you can see, the bolt is in there. I just got to slide this little blue piece right in there. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. So solidly like so, and then this right here will be going in there. So I can get this open real quick. Cool. So as you can see, this is what it should like. It should look like. Okay. So now I just realized I forgot something to cover for up here. I was wondering where it was keep moving around. So there's a cover that goes right here. Okay. It's this cover. Now taking it out is very simple. It's when it's on here, it's facing down. Let's see if I can show you. So it's facing down, covering it like so. Okay, so it goes on top here like that, and it covers it. Anyway, so I just want to show you how you take it out real quick. When you take it out, it will be facing down this way. So it's going to be 3 clips that you want to get off. You want to start with this one, then the middle one, then the last one. That would allow you to take off this one, and then finally the first one, and you'll be able to take the clip back off. So putting it back on, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same thing. Get this one on first, then get this one on next. Then I'll be able to get this 3 hooked up, starting with this one and working my way to the middle one and to the front. Anyway, so I'm about to get this on, put on real quick, and I'll show you what it looks like. So when putting this back on there, just make sure you hear a snapping sound like so, and they are all connected. Now as you can see, this moves around, but it doesn't move all the way around, you know what I mean? Just enough to keep it in check. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pull the bolt back on, starting with this one and then the other 2, and I'm gonna connect that into here now. So again, it's slide in super simple. I should be able to do it with one hand, while the second one is holding the camera, taking it out. You will need 2 hands for this one, but for the back one, you should not. Okay, so everything is getting back together smoothly. I got all my bolts. Take it. Put it right there. Okay, I think I should have cleaned this bolts out as well. You know. But for the last. Okay. Yeah. So, got to get this back on here. I just got to get this little hook to slide in there, like so, and get one of my. Put it right there. Yeah. And the second one just goes on top. It's just to keep this down. Anyway, I'm just go ahead and tighten the bolts up. I will need 2 hands to do that. Once I get everything back together, I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. So I have everything together. As you can see, it's all connected. And right now what I'm about to do is go on a core and see if it'll start. Oh, it's already making noise, and I can see the screen came on. It was not doing that before. But let's turn it on and see if it'll sound. And as you can see, the core has started. I got my trunk and everything open, so get rid of this notification so you can see. As you can see, my car is on. And yeah, anyway, that's how you clean up the terminal. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And yeah.